Hey there, art enthusiasts. My name is Tevain Hunter. Today, we've got something special in store for you, a step-by-step guide on how to draw the iconic and vibrant flag of Italy. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, stick around because we're about to break it down in a way that's easy to follow and super fun. But before we dive into the artistic magic, let's talk about the hook. That irresistible element that grabs your attention and makes you want to watch more. In this case, we are not just drawing a flag. We are unlocking the secrets to capturing the essence of Italy on paper. Imagine transporting yourself to the heart of Rome as you recreate its tricolor masterpiece. That's the emotional connection, the Italian flair, that's going to keep you hooked throughout this tutorial. Now, let's jump into the tutorial itself. Grab your drawing supplies and let's get started with the first step. As we start sketching out the flag, think about the symbolism behind each color. Green for hope, white for faith, and red for charity. It's not just about replicating the design, it's about understanding the story it tells. And remember, don't worry if your lines aren't perfect. This is all about expressing yourself and enjoying the creative process. Now, let's add some depth and dimension to our drawing. Italy's flag is simple, but there's an art to making it pop. We'll guide you through shading techniques that will make your tricolor creation come to life. Feel free to get experimental with your shading. After all, art is all about expressing your unique style. As we wrap up the final touches, take a step back and admire your masterpiece. You've just brought the piece of Italy into your world through art. But hey, this is just the beginning. Experiment with different sizes, add your personal flair, and don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments below. We'd love to see how you've embraced the Italian spirit on your canvas. Before I sign off, if you enjoyed this tutorial and want more exciting drawing guides, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our growing community of art enthusiasts and let's embark on this creative journey together. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy drawing!